How to create Notion widget. If you want to add widget of Notion app, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded Notion app on your phone. If you are iPhone user, then simply go on App Store and download Notion on your iPhone. And if you are an Android user, then go to Play Store and install Notion on your phone. After you have installed your app, you'll see this home page. If you go on the widget, then continue tapping on the screen for a few seconds, then you will see this option. Here on the top left corner, you can see this edit option. Click on edit. Here, click on add widget. Now scroll down a little bit until you find these apps on your phone. Here, scroll down and find Notion. After you find Notion, simply click on this name. And here you can add widget according to your preference. You can add small widget or medium sized widget or even large size widget to your phone. Simply choose the one that you like and click on add widget option. So this is how you can create a Notion widget on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.